Hi guys, a channel named Hardy is trying to hack my channel by commenting on my channel. Now I will show you how to block this channel. So in order to save your channel, please watch this video from the very beginning to the end with utmost attention. First of all, you have to go to your YouTube channel by entering into the Chrome browser. Write youtube.com in the search bar. When such interface is seen on the mobile screen, then click on the notification bar which is beside your logo channel. Here you see in the first a channel named Hardy. You have to click on Hardy. Then again its logo. This is the channel and this is a hacker channel. If you go to the video section of this channel, you will find that this channel has no videos. So there are so many proofs that this channel is not an ordinary channel. Okay, now I will show you how to block it. Just go to the about section of this channel. Here you will find a flag. Just tap on it. And here you will also find an option block user. Click on it. Then submit. This is how you can block a channel which might harm on you, or means on your channel. If you want to see now that whether I could block it or not, then just refresh your screen and again go to the flag. Here you see that unblock user. That means I have blocked this channel. Similarly, this channel has more channels. If you go to the channel sections of this channel, these are the other channels of this hacker. You can also block these channels in the same method. Just click on the logo of the channel. Go to the about section. Then you will find flag. I have already blocked it, so this is here you see that unblock user. Okay. So if you want to save your channel, you should at first block this channel and also the other channels of this hacker. Thank you for watching this video.